Bam! Hello everybody, Steve here, and no, this isn't a knife channel. It's not a knife show. I have actually have another unboxing to do. Yesterday I had a nice unboxing with a challenge box that I unboxed, and I got another package today. But I figure, well, if I'm gonna open up a box, I'll pick out another knife to use. I brought out a couple of my favorites, so these three are some of my newest ones. These two I just got very recently: a Kubi Momentum, Civivi Backlash, Leatherman Skeletal. This is my pocket knife from when I was a Boy Scout, Camp King. This was my father's, his military one that he had in the military. I don't know what brand it is. This is one that one of my grandfathers had when he got it from a place he worked at, a gift from where he was working at. I think these two are from some other grandparents and great grandparents. It's a nice little Barlow and that, and needs to be cleaned up and fixed up and stuff. But anyway, just brought those out just because. But anyway, I think Chris Capoon inspired me a little bit. So anyway, so let's get this package open. This is actually from Thumpers lockpicking, and the address is on the other side. So I got the bottom on the bottom up this time. But I did a trade with them. A couple weeks ago I wanted to do a little bit of get a couple newer locks that were a little bit more challenging than the 1100 and stuff. So I asked him if I was looking for a couple in particular, and I asked him, well, do you have these? And he said, yeah, I have an extra one I can throw together. So I know there was a couple of them that he said he was going to put in here. One of them was just basically a broken one with pieces, and the other one was one I was looking for. So hopefully those are in there. So let's without any further ado, let's get this open. Use the Kubi this time, not the Civivi. Let's see what we got. Got a sticker, add to the other one I got, and another card. Let's just get everything out of here real quick. I think that's packaging. Oh boy, look at all this. There's a couple of them that I was kind of looking for, and I know one of them, and so I made a trade. I said I'd do a trade, so I actually sent him a challenge lock that I had received from Lady Locks. Challenge lock that she named after me. He already received that and did an opening on it. Then I sent him a couple other ones, not just a few of them that I had, a few ones that I had gotten from different places, and they were all stock locks, but they were definitely really good ones to do. So let's get started. Wow. There's quite a bit of them. Oh, I love this another big boy master lock. This is a number 15 master lock. Oh, I love these big boys. Nice. Nice. Hopefully we have enough room on my table. Very good packaging. I can't say enough about packaging this stuff really well. Look at that. A Desco. That's a challenge lock. Thumpers challenge lock. And called Bite Me. And it is mummified, so that will be a lot of fun. So Thumper, let's see, what next? Looks like another challenge lock. This one. Gutting Gamble by Fast Charlie. December 2018. A little bit more. Gutting counterclockwise is advised. We're holding play of the plug. I found out a little bit ago what gutting in the wrong direction does to you. Nice working lock. See this. Well, Thumper, maybe that girlfriend of yours better talk to you a little bit about some of these things you sent me. Look at that key. Pretty neat. Here's another one with a little banjo or guitar. Let's see what else. Got a few packages to open. Yeah, after I finished opening that other challenge lock from Ladies Lock, I asked him to send me a couple, so he did not disappoint. Oh, sterling. That's plastic. Not very heavy. Nice little lock. Make sure I'm still on camera, in frame. Another challenge lock. The Yale lock. Mummified key. This is by another one by Fast Charlie. There's other ones right here. June 2018, called Prank Call. No shimming needed. Got a few more. Boy, Thumper, he did not disappoint. Here's another challenge lock. This is by Thumpers. The devil came to town. Didn't go to Georgia, he came to town, huh? Nice little lock. Looks like another Schleg. Keep these guys over here. Keep me busy. That's for sure. Here's another challenge lock. This is CBG, or is it CB or CBGB? Oh my fudge. Looks like by T. Gabriel, I think. T. Gabriel. 720. Nice little. Look at that bidding on that key. Looks like that was hand done. The catch is right there, but still works good. Next, it'll keep me busy for a little while. So it's nice to have a Leatherman. Came in handy one time. I'll tell you about it in a sec. Let's see. Here we have another challenge lock. Hard Knocks by Thumper. Turn around the right way. There we go. So I was bringing a refrigerator upstairs one time and got up to this top of the stairs and remembered, oh yeah, I forgot that in order to get it out of the basement and up the stairs, I'd have to take the lock off the door in order for the door to open wider and for me to clear the door and get the refrigerator out. And so while the one guy was down below holding the refrigerator and I was up above holding the other end of the refrigerator, I pulled my little Leatherman out. This has a nice little Phillips screwdriver on it. I pulled this thing out and I undid the lock and got it out and stuff while I'm holding a refrigerator from falling down the stairs. They come in very handy. Alright, look, we have a nice little Lockwood Asa Abloy. Let's see, key. No. Maybe that's a keyless one. And then we have nice bought by lock. I think he said this was broken, so he sent it to me. I told him, well, I could pull it apart and learn from it. We have that little bylock there, nice little oval. Looks like another challenge lock. This is Saito CL. Is that what that is? Mummified key. Can't tell what that looks like. It's a good mummified key, that's for sure. A little nymph. Is that what that is? Nemeth, CKG. What this is? Okay, and a couple more items. A quick set. Walmart key. Pretty gritty inside. It's nice to I haven't made a challenge walk yet, but that would be nice to do something like that, I guess, someday. This little it's in the box. Nice little Brady padlock. Avis. So that's has an Avis core in there. That ought to be fun too. Very nice. And last but not least, another oh, the packaging is falling down up there. See, that's another pinning tray. So that's it. That's quite a package. Thank you very much, Thumper, for sending that all my way. And let's see, I can't remember how many challenge walks are there. That's definitely going to keep me busy. That and the other one I got yesterday, definitely going to keep me busy for a little while. So thank you very much, Thumper, for sending me that, and thank you very much for watching. And if you have any comments, please leave them below, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. And thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.